how to share YouTube link on Instagram. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can share your YouTube video link on Instagram, especially Instagram stories. So let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, we'll be going to YouTube and copying the link of any particular video that you would like. So for example, let's say I'll be copying the link of this particular YouTube video. I can copy the link by simply clicking onto these three dots present over to this video, and from here clicking on share option, and then I can either directly add it from here if this allows me, or apart from that I can also click onto this copy link option. Now once the link has been successfully copied, I'll move back to Instagram, and within the Instagram I'll click onto this your story option in order to add a new story, and then from here I can simply choose a particular template. So for example, let me choose a simple template. So as you can see, here are some of the templates that are getting loaded. So I'm gonna go with this particular template for example. Now since this is only a template, I can add on to this, but let's say even if it was my real photo, or if it was something, the content that I would like to share, I can add a link to this by clicking onto this sticker option, and then from here I can simply choose this link button and then paste the link and click onto this done button. Now you can see that this is your typical YouTube link that you see. So I can align it like this and I'm all set. So now I can share my story by clicking onto this arrow and share button. We'll click onto this done button and my story will be shared. So that's how easily I can share my YouTube link in my Instagram story. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.